I usually take a bag to work, but recently the bags that I've had taking to work are just way too small. So I got this new work bag right here. As you can see, it is pretty big. It's almost the size of my body, sideways, you know? So let's talk about it. So when you first look at it, you're like, oh, it's just a boring bag. So when you turn it on this side, you can see that it has this pocket, which is a pretty lengthy pocket, as you can see. But you have two straps, and then you have a big old zipper. So I just opened this up. Look how big this thing is. Do you see all that? Like, please tell me y'all see that. So right here, you have another zipper pouch. So let's open it up. So spacious. What I'm going to be using this for is a lot of the times I have to take models at work. So I usually am always changing or throwing clothes around or just leaving clothes in my car. This is going to make it to where I can just throw all my clothes in here, my shoes in here, take this bag into work, and then take it back and then bring it back inside. So whether I don't have to just grab all my clothes like a bear and bring all my clothes inside and then back into work. I really like this. This makes my life so much easier, and I think it'll help yours life too. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.